So you want to use ByBit in the US, but you're getting this message on your computer. Well, that's because ByBit is not actually allowed in the US. Now, fortunately, there is a safe way to actually go about accessing ByBit, but if you're going to be doing this, you want to make sure you're doing it the right way. If you try to use some sketchy VPN or run some shady programs, you could end up getting your account shut down, or even worse, getting your entire crypto wallet drained by hackers. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you a full in-depth tutorial of how to use ByBit in the US in 2021, so you don't end up screwing yourself over. I'm going to go over the safest way to actually access ByBit, how to long and short different cryptos with leverage, and then how to safely withdraw your earnings once you actually sell for some profit. Also, if you want to support the channel, I've got a link to sign up for ByBit in the description and pinned comment below. That'll get you some free Bitcoin just for signing up. But don't do that yet. Wait just a second until you see how to safely and securely go to that site. So how do you safely access ByBit from the US? Well, you're going to need to use a VPN because ByBit is banned in the United States. Now, a VPN allows you to essentially spoof your location by using an IP address from a different country. So if you want to do this right, you have to use a good VPN because low quality VPNs can actually leak your real IP address, which if ByBit found out, they would shut your account down and hold your cryptocurrency, potentially not even allowing you to withdraw it. So in my personal opinion, ExpressVPN is the way to go. This is the VPN that I personally use, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get it set up and how to score yourself 3 free months of ExpressVPN. So in the description of this video, you'll find a link to ExpressVPN. Once you click on that link, it's going to take you to this page right here. From here, you're going to click on the Get ExpressVPN button, and you're going to notice that you're going to get 3 free months of ExpressVPN just for using my particular link because ExpressVPN decided to hook you guys up with a pretty sweet deal. Now you can choose which one of these plans you want to use. Once you sign up, then the thing that I would recommend you do is get the Chrome extension for ExpressVPN. It looks like this guy right here. You can just download this and then set your location to whatever country you want to set it to. Personally, I either use Canada or Germany, but you'll just pick the one that you want to use and continue using the same one because ByBit does not want to see you logging on from a bunch of different countries. That looks kind of sus. So make sure that you pick a country and you just stick with that country. So I've used Canada in the past, so I'm just going to use Canada again. You'll just turn it on using this little power button here. It'll connect right up to the location that you selected, so Canada, Toronto, and then after a few seconds, boom, it's connected, and now we are now showing our location as from Canada. And if you just Google check my IP address, we can in fact see that our location is showing for Toronto, Canada. So now that that's all set, it's time to actually access ByBit. So again, you can use the link in the description below. That'll get you some free Bitcoin just for signing up. And now that you have your location set to either Germany or Canada, you are all set to click on that link. That's going to take you to this page right here where you can sign up for ByBit. It's a pretty straightforward sign up process, so you just need to verify your email and set up Google Authenticator to get you 2-factor authentication. Once you've done that, let's hop into my account and I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. So now that you're all signed in, the first step is to transfer some assets into your ByBit account. You can either use USD and buy some crypto using fiat, or you can transfer in crypto that you have on some other platform like Gemini or Coinbase. If you want to buy some crypto, you'll just click on this buy crypto option up here. It'll take you to this page where you can select how much fiat you want to spend. So say $1,000. We want to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. It'll give us some options here of different places we can do it, how much it's going to cost and how long it's going to take. So you'll just pick the best option. You'll press buy and it'll take you through that entire process. Or if you want to just transfer crypto in, how you're going to do that is hover over your email address up here, go to my assets, and then you can deposit any of the supported cryptos into your ByBit account. Once that's done, you're ready to trade. And one of the core benefits of ByBit is that you can buy and sell crypto with leverage. So here's exactly how you do that. So you'll hover over this trade button up here. You will go to either inverse perpetual or USDT perpetual. The difference between those is a little bit above the scope of this video, but basically if you're betting on the price of Bitcoin going up, if you're going long Bitcoin with leverage, then you usually want to do inverse perpetual or coin margin. And if you're betting against Bitcoin or crypto and you want the price of crypto to go down, then you're probably going to do USDT perpetual. But again, a bit beyond the scope of this video. For this example, we'll just go to inverse perpetual, go to Bitcoin USD because we want to bet that the price of Bitcoin is going to go up. And then from here, here's how to actually execute an order. So what we're going to do over here is probably select limit order. You want to make a limit order in most cases. So for this example, let's say we want to pay $35,745 for a single Bitcoin. Let's say we want to buy exactly 1 Bitcoin. So we're going to copy that, paste it in here. From here, we can decide how much margin we want to actually use. So You'll click into here, you'll want to make sure isolated is selected, and you can go all the way from 1x margin or no margin, all the way up to 100x margin. Now, that is a lot of margin. So if you take out 100x margin to buy one single Bitcoin, you can see that all you're required to put in is a 100th of a Bitcoin, okay? Because they're lending you 100x the value of your actual investment. So for 0.01 Bitcoin, you have exposure to a full Bitcoin. Now that means if the price goes up, you could make a lot of money, but if the price goes down, you could lose your entire investment very quickly. So let's say we want to use 10x margin. Okay, we're going to turn things down by an order of magnitude, go to 10x margin. You can see here that now we have to put in about 1/10 of a Bitcoin in order to purchase one full Bitcoin. Now you can decide if you want to buy with leverage. Okay, so you're going long Bitcoin or short Bitcoin and bet that the price is going to go down. From here, you just click on whichever button you want and your order will be executed. Now from there, let's say you make a profit and you want to actually withdraw some of your winnings to an external wallet. Say it's either Gemini, Coinbase, whatever. How you're going to do that is go back to your email address here, click on My Assets, and then right next to that deposit button, there will be a withdraw button. As you can see, I don't have any funds in this particular account that I'm using to demo it right now. But if I did, then I could just press withdraw and send those funds to an external address. Now that is the safest way to access ByBit from the US, and links to both ByBit and ExpressVPN will be down in the description and pinned comment below. Again, with that ByBit link, you're getting some free Bitcoin, and with that ExpressVPN link, you're getting a free 3 months of ExpressVPN. Using those links also does help to support the channel. So if you value this video, if you got some good information out of it, feel free to use those links if you want to help us out. Now, if you're looking for another way to profit from your cryptocurrency, check out this video over here where I dive deep into HODL. This is a way for you to earn interest on your crypto all the way up to 10.5% APY at the current moment. So it's a pretty profitable way for you to just kind of sit on your cryptocurrency and get paid in the process. So if you want to check that video out, click on this little guy and I'll see you over there.